What should have been a quick and simple plumbing job turned into a frustrating challenge. All that was left was to apply the thread seal tape, install the fitting, and finish the repair. The problem was that the connection was tucked into an extremely tight space where there was barely enough room for a hand, let alone the proper movement needed to wrap the tape correctly. That's when an experienced professional revealed a surprisingly clever solution. By using a drill driver together with a small drill bit as a simple aid, he was able to guide the thread seal tape into place with much greater control, even in hard-to-reach areas. It's a practical workshop trick that saves time, reduces frustration, and makes difficult plumbing jobs much easier to complete.